Hi, this is Scott Rosano from Gigbuilder.com. In this series of videos, we are going to set up and run your Gigbuilder. Each video is very simple, very quick, and sets you to a different point of Gigbuilder as far as your setup configuration goes. Now, when you first buy it and you first load it, you may see this, Gigbuilder dashboard is not configured. Click here for a quick setup, which is what we're going to do. You can also get there if that's not showing by Tools, System Configuration, and from System Configuration, we're going to go to House Cleaning. And from House Cleaning, we're going to go ahead and run the Setup Wizard. Either way runs it. Now from the Setup Wizard, this is basically explaining a little bit about Gigbuilder, what it's able to do for you, some of the major features to it, and what we're going to set up. It's pretty quick, pretty easy. And again, through these videos, we're simply just going along and setting up the defaults to get you going for your company. So we hit next, and you'll notice that a lot of the information that you provided during sign up is already here. We just need to throw in a few more names, like your name. My name, Scott Rosano. It also missed my zip code, so I'll do that, 28906. My 10-digit office number, 828-555-1212. Business type is the DJ, and then the website. This is your home page. A lot of places where clients are going to be doing things, this is where they'll end up after it's over, but we always suggest going back to your home page. In this case here, I'm just going to Gigbuilder, back to Gigbuilder. All right, and the next, we'll click again. And this part here is basically your availability setup, and this is the simple version. All you need to do is answer these 7 questions up here. How many simultaneous events can you perform each day of the week? Now, it's going to be a little bit different for everybody, but I'm going to go ahead and just put in 1. I'm a single op. I only work on some weekends, and I don't work Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Everyone's going to be different here. Once that is completed, event types. Go in here, and there's some basic setup event types. If there's some of the ones that you use, click them, because Gigbuilder will do some things for you. And then on top of that, what is your default event type? Mine's going to be a wedding reception. We'll click Next. And we're just going to go into a little bit of payment information and pricing. Gigbuilder works by packages. You do not have to use them. You can input just standard amounts, whatever you want to, but packages do make it easier. And through this setup wizard, we're going to set up our first one. So I'll just go ahead and call this a gold wedding package. We're going to run that for 4 hours, and $1,500 sounds like a good amount of money. And then my event deposits, I'm pretty easy on. I'm just a $100 deposit. You set this the way you want to, and you hit Next. And the default settings. In this particular case here, since you're new, I would go ahead and just accept the defaults. And what this does is it prepares Gigbuilder, it puts in some forms and some other things for you to get going. There's really no reason not to accept it, so just hit Submit. And it only takes a couple of seconds. And once everything is done, you'll be returned back to your dashboard with a fully working Gigbuilder system, and you're ready for the next video.